Alright guys, I got a job to do. Fill up the ice.
Once this is done,
Wait, where's the scooper?
it's in there. Oh, I might have buried it to be honest.
Because I was digging. Yeah, you're digging down here. What the heck is that green thing? You guys see that? Yeah, I see that. What the heck is that? I don't see it. That's a big piece of ice. Look at this.
Why are you guys eating food?
We're not eating food, Chris. Well, I'll see you when I...
Can you make a salad?
Here, let me just use these. Can I use these?
You didn't find it?
Mama,
No, I swear.
tell Christopher what I used to be able to do with my fingers when I was his age.
All the way back.
So I was lying, all the way back.
I can't do that. Oh, it's right there. It was right here. I didn't see it. All right, see you guys when I do this. Filming this.
Really?
Yeah.
You better do not post it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
post it on YouTube.
I'm gonna break your phone. And you're not getting a new one from me.
And then she's gonna break your face.
Copy
Are you
that.
sure? Oh.
What time is it? 6.
You okay?
Hey, yeah, I'm fine. Hey, Daddy, Toby. Oh, Toby.
Where's Christopher?
It was that late already. What do you want me to do?
Do you like your chicken?
Scrape it off? Yeah, I was happy we had a dishwasher yesterday. That's for sure.
That stuff's good.
I thought you were taking mine.
Would you stop? Hey, what's going on over here?
Dogs running back and forth.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat this.
Both go on the top.
Oh, dude.
Larry, connect the eggs.
No. Good job, Dominic. Dominic pushed the trash can back in there. Good job. Where'd the eggs go?
Yeah, you probably.
Can you stop and help?
I'm stopping. I'm helping. What are we gonna do with all the rest of the ice?
Just pick up all the small stuff that's left. Ice, just put it in the kitchen.
Okay. Ooh, that's cold. That's really, really cold. Excuse me, Dominic. Ah. There we go. What the heck is a glove doing in here? Aw. Dominic's juice box. And Papa.
Thanks, Will.
Okay. Toby, move it. Move it. Move it. Hi, Dominic.
Lauren, give me that cup.
Ew, dirty.
Dirty.
Not you, him.
Ew, dirty.
Hey, Toby. Enjoyed your little food. Oh my god. Toby, you ate that fast. I just filled it up before I started taping. You a hungry little boy. So are you, little munchkin. Wait, let me see that face again. Bruno. Oh. Everyone take a screenshot. Clean up the phone. Wait, whose phone is this? Steve's? Wait, y'all ready for this? Wait, I want to try this. Oh my god. No, not those. Okay, not that. Eh. Oh, I got that on film. Let me try again. That was bad. I got it. I'm gonna try one more time. Oh, yes. 3. We got 3. This. And Santa Claus is coming, Toby and Bruno. Santa Claus! You guys really want to go out? That's cool. Go make some noise! Oh my god, there it went out. Oh, I forgot about those monsters. Oh crap. Forgot about those stupid monsters.